In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset price scale on Tradingview. If your chart ever looks off candles, squeezed into a thin line or stretched so far you can barely read them, don't worry. That usually happens after zooming, panning, or accidentally dragging the vertical scale. Resetting the price scale brings everything back into a clean, readable view without changing any drawings, indicators, or your chart layout. First, let's get oriented. The price axis is the vertical scale on the side of your chart that shows price levels. By default, it's on the right. Though some layouts place it on the left, when your candles look distorted, that axis has likely been compressed or expanded. The goal is to restore it so the chart auto-fits the data on your screen. Here is the straightforward method on desktop. Move your mouse over the vertical price axis until you are clearly hovering on the numbers or the scale itself, not the main chart area. Right-click to open the context menu, then choose Reset Price Scale. Instantly, the chart recenters and auto-fits the visible price action. This clears any manual scaling you might have introduced by dragging the axis up or down or by using your mouse wheel to zoom vertically. It's a safe action. Your annotations, indicators, and settings remain exactly as they were. You are simply telling Tradingview to restore the default, proportionate view of your current chart window. If you want the fastest possible way, use the double-click shortcut. Place your cursor directly on the price axis and double-click. That's it, the chart immediately auto-fits. If nothing happens, double-check that your cursor is on the axis itself, not on the candles or the time axis at the bottom. When done correctly, you'll see the candles snap back into a sensible scale that's easy to analyze. Both methods do the same thing. They correct a distorted, stretched, or compressed view. Use the right-click menu when you prefer a deliberate action with a clear label, and use the double-click for quick muscle memory fixes during fast analysis. A couple of tips as you work. If you have multiple panes like a price chart on top and an indicator below, make sure you reset the scale for the pane you are focusing on by targeting its own price axis. And remember, this reset respects your current chart mode. It won't switch between linear and logarithmic. It just restores the default view for whichever mode you are using. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.